Our story today is called A Grunter, and it's described as a story of a pig with attitude. Let's find out why this pig has so much attitude. Oh, look, right from the front page. Grunter, a story of a pig with attitude by Mike Jolly and Deborah Allwright. This is the story of a small green farm with a large pink problem. I wonder what the pink problem might be. This is the small green farm, and this is the problem. There he is there, can you see him? This is Granville, but he is known as Grunter because that's what he does. Can you grunt like a pig? He hates everything and everyone. He's overfed and overweight. He is mad, bad, angry and sad and dangerous to know on days with a D in it. Which days of the week have a D in it? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All the days of the week have a D in it. My goodness, he must be cranky all the time. He has serious attitude. Have a look at his face. He really does look like he's got serious attitude. Oh dear. And shocking wind. I wonder if everybody out there knows what it means when you say you've got shocking wind. Shall I give you a sound effect? That might give you a hint if you don't know. And Grunter's wind is so bad. Have a look at this. This poor birdie over the back here. Looks like he's just about collapsed from it. Oh no. Yesterday, he flattened the farmer, spat on the cat, dunked the dog, catapulted the cow, and mashed 3 short-sighted mice into the ground. The day before, he bit the badger, grabbed the goat, choked the chicks with one of his outbursts. He ran amok in the muck, sat on the sheep, and dropped something dirty on the duck. Oh, I wonder what that something dirty was. Looks like mud to me. Oh dear. The other animals think that he is too big for his trotters. Does anyone in your family ever say that you're too big for your feet? Too big for your boots sometimes? The other animals think that he should be taught a lesson. Today it is Grunter's birthday and he's all alone. No one has remembered. Oh, even though he's mad, bad, dangerous to know, I do feel a little bit sorry for him. It'd be awful if no one remembered your birthday. Or have they? Oh, look, isn't that lovely? They've given him a candle to blow out. I don't think I've ever seen a candle quite like that before, though. It certainly is very bright. Boom! It wasn't a candle at all. Oh dear, it might have been a stick of dynamite. This is the small green farm. That was the problem. There he goes. Or was it? Off to outer space he goes. To be continued. I wonder if there's going to be another story about Grunter. I do hope he's not going to be mad, bad and dangerous to know in outer space. Did you like that story? I like that story. Bye.
Hi everybody, it's Lil from Camden Libraries. Today's activity is Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So I've got Mr. MacDonald here, and I'm going to put him right here next to his little barn that he uses and he works from. And also, I better put Mrs. MacDonald next to Mr. MacDonald as well. There we go. What a lovely couple. All right, so old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a... I wonder what he's going to have. What's this? We've got a tractor, and on that farm he had a tractor, E-I-E-I-O, with a and a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. And we'll put the horse right there. There we go. So now we've got a tractor, a dog, a cow, a duck, and a horse. And lucky last, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a big, fat pig.
Hi everyone, welcome to Storytime. Today we've got a very special story called To Market, To Market. I wonder where we might be going in this story today. Let's have a look. To market, to market. To market, to market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. She's bringing home that pig, isn't she? Wonder what she might be doing. To market, to buy a red hen. Home again. Uh-oh. That pig left the pen. Can you see the little pig there? He's just peeking out. To market, to buy a plump goose. Home again. Uh-oh. The hen's on the loose. And she's trying very hard to catch it, isn't she? To market, to buy a live trout. Home again. Uh-oh. The goose was let out. You can see the goose is just trying to fly away, fly right off that page there. To market, to buy a spring lamb. Home again. Uh-oh. Away the trout swam. I wonder where all these animals are going. Let's see if we can find out. To market, for one milking cow. Home again. Uh-oh. Where is that lamb now? Can you see the lamb on the page anywhere? Let's have a look. Oh, there it is, right there. To market, to buy a white duck. Now the cow disappeared and I'm out of luck. Oh no. I wonder if she'll ever get the animals to stay. To market, for one stubborn goat. The duck flew the coop and the goat ate my coat. Naughty goat. This is the last straw. I am a shopping disgrace. Everything's running all over the place. She's got a pig on the counter there, doesn't she? And a duck flying away, and the cow's hiding just over there behind the door. Can we see? Lots and lots of animals everywhere. The pig's in the kitchen, the lamb's on the bed, the cow's on the couch, and there's a duck on my head. Can you see the duck on her head there? Looks pretty comfy there. The hen's in the cupboard, The goose is there too. The goat's in the closet. Hey, it's chewing my shoe. It's having a good chew on her shoe there, isn't it? Silly goat. The trout is in the bathtub. This place is a zoo. I'm hungry, I'm cranky. Now what will I do? She looks very sad there, doesn't she? Let's have a look. To market, to buy some potatoes, celery, beets, and some ripe red tomatoes. They do look very tasty. Some pea pods and peppers, and garlic and spice. A round head of cabbage, a sack of brown rice, add okra and onions, and 1 carrot bunch. Home again, home again. Hot soup for lunch. Looks very, very delicious. And they all look very, very sleepy at the end of their adventure. And that's the end of our story. We hope you enjoyed. Bye.
Okay, should we sing the song about the 3 little ducks? Can I get you to get your 3 little ducks out? Let's count them and make sure they're there. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic. And your mother duck too with your other hand. 3 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 2 little ducks came back. Can you count them with me? 1, 2. They did only come back. 2 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. But only 1 little duck came back. Can you count it with me? 1. Very good. 1's a nice easy number to count to, isn't it? 1 little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. But none of the 3 little ducks came back. Oh dear, can you get out your crying singing voice for me? Sad mother duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. And all of the 3 little ducks came back. Let's help Mummy Duck count them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, fantastic. They did all come back. Come on, little duckies, off you go, and don't run away from Mummy again, okay? Great job, everyone. Bye.